Welcome to the BI Courses YouTube channel. By the end of this video, you will understand how the project management lifecycle maps and aligns with IT Agile Scrum development. The project management lifecycle process encompasses the 5 phases in managing a project. First, initiation phase. The project is defined and its feasibility is assessed. Followed by planning phase. Project managers create a comprehensive project plan. Then execution phase. The project begins. The team carries out the tasks outlined in the project plan. Next, monitoring and controlling phase. Project performance is continuously monitored against the plan. Adjustments are made as needed to keep the project on track. At the end, the final one, which is the closing phase, the project is completed and the deliverables are handed over to the stakeholders. IT Development Lifecycle, traditionally known as Software Development Lifecycle (SDLC). The key activities in this lifecycle is starting with requirements gathering and analysis. Business analysts collaborate with stakeholders to identify and document software requirements. Next, system design. Software architects translate the gathered requirements into a high-level design/blueprint. Then followed by development/coding. Developers write the actual code based on the system design. Then we have to test it. The software undergoes rigorous testing to identify bugs, defects, and deviations from the requirements. Once if it is done, then the software is deployed/released to the production environment, which means it is available to all the users. After that, then it goes to maintenance/support, which is an ongoing operational phase that includes training and supporting users and enhancing the software based on the changing requirements. These are the activities that usually happen in a sequential order or a linear fashion for waterfall methodology. In contrast, agile methodologies involve continuous cycle with small teams and customer participation. In hybrid approach, certain activities such as development, testing, deployment, those activities occur in a repetitive cycles. Let's explore how the project management phases align with the IT development lifecycle. Initiation phase. In this one, it's all about business needs and stakeholders. So no IT development lifecycle activities really occurs in this phase. Second, planning. It's about creating a detailed plan. In this phase, you will notice requirements gathering and high-level system design activities from the IT development lifecycle. Next, execution. This phase basically translates the design into actual code. In this phase, you will see detailed design, development, coding, testing, deployment/release. All these activities from the IT development waterfall methodologies happen here. Whereas In agile methodologies, all activities from requirements to the launch, everything happens in this execution phase. Monitoring and controlling, its IT projects continuously monitor all the activities in this. Closure phase, IT projects conclude by deploying the software and transitioning to maintenance mode. So, in the waterfall methodology, most of the life cycle activities occur during the execution phase. Certain activities such as requirements gathering also take place in the planning phase. In contrast, all agile activities from requirements to all the way to launch happens only in execution phase. Hybrid approaches, which is similar to waterfall, leverages both planning and execution phases. However, most of the activities happen in the execution phase. In today's topic, we explored project management phases and waterfall, agile scrum, hybrid, IT development methodologies, examining how they align and complement each other. If you familiarize yourself with this process and terminology, you will be able to communicate effectively in managing IT projects. Before you go, press the subscribe button to stay up to date. See you in the next tutorial video. Thank you.